Hello friends, hi! Hope you're all doing well. Today I'm going to cook for you fried chicken. Here I have 5 chicken drumsticks. They've all been slit. As you can see, you have a couple of thin slices. This is to basically allow the spices to be absorbed. So let's marinate the chicken. Ginger garlic, 2 teaspoons. Could use a little more. Let's add a little bit of soya sauce. Here I got lemon and pepper seasoning salt, a little bit of crushed pepper, not to forget some garlic salt. While I cook, I always like to have my coffee. I have my coffee black, no cream or sugar. How do you like your coffee to be? We can let this marinade sit for about 30 minutes so that everything gets absorbed. In the meantime, we can prepare the batter. So here I got all-purpose flour. Here I'm going to use 1 cup. This looks good. Let's add a little bit of salt. Just a little, because garlic salt, seasoning salt, all of them are pretty salty. Here I have a few breadcrumbs. Let's add a couple of them. And a little bit of cornstarch. This helps in keeping everything together. Tablespoon of it. Eyeball it, it's pretty close. Whisk. Guys, if you're still watching, why don't you give me a like and consider subscribing to my channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. Drumsticks have been sitting for over 30 minutes and all the spices must have been absorbed. Let's dip them into the flour. Just make sure the chicken is well coated with the flour. Today is Sunday. I just thought, why not make a few drumsticks? Love drumsticks. How do you guys make your chicken drumsticks at home? Let me know in the comment section. Well, these are the drumsticks, nice and coated. Let's fry them. So the pan is nice and hot. Let's add a little bit of oil. We'll go ahead enough so that the chicken gets fried in there. This looks good. Let's make the chicken crispy. If you like, you could also flavor the oil with green cardamoms, bay leaves, or any spices of your choice. Our oil is nice and hot. Just cook it till the chicken turns golden brown. Flip them over. Are you excited to have some fried chicken? Here's a cooking tip. Whenever you fry anything, never place the lid over it, because you don't want steam accumulating. You want the vegetables or the meat to be fried. This is coming out really good. If you feel I'm doing a good job, come on, give me a like and leave a comment. That goes a long way in growing my YouTube channel. Let's give it another flip. This is coming out really good. I would like to thank my friends Tricia, Donatelli for their wonderful comments. I really appreciate it. Your comments help my channel grow. Doesn't this look delicious? Look at this. Doesn't this look yummy? Chicken fried drumsticks. Just delicious. Guys, if you love the video, please give me a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye.